Lost shipments. They're every dropshipper's nightmare, and they can cost you a lot more than the price of the product. It's not just about replacing an item, it's about the time, the shipping fees, the customer trust, and sometimes even legal exposure. But here's the good news. With the right insurance, you can protect yourself. In dropshipping, packages often travel through multiple hands, from supplier warehouses to regional carriers to local delivery services. At any point, things can go wrong. A package gets lost, stolen, or damaged, and you're left footing the bill. And if a customer claims that a replacement product caused them harm, you could also be facing a lawsuit. That's where a business owner's policy from Next Insurance comes in. A business owner's policy combines two types of protection into one streamlined plan. First, you get property coverage, which can help reimburse you if goods are lost or damaged before reaching your customer. Second, you get general liability protection. So if a product is defective and causes damage or injury, you're not left covering legal fees and settlements on your own. This dual coverage means you're protected on both the product and legal sides of a lost shipment problem. Next Insurance makes it easy for small business owners and dropshippers to get this protection. You can apply online, get a tailored quote in minutes, and even customize your coverage so you're not overpaying for things you don't need. Lost shipments can happen anytime, but they don't have to wreck your business. Click the link in the description to get your quote from Next Insurance and protect your dropshipping store today.